I got this good looking spade shovel at the bargain shop for $5. And other than being rusty and need to be cleaned, the handle is perfect for my height and it's a strong one, so I'm gonna restore this to its old glory. I'm going to use a 60 grit sandpaper first. I actually already soaked this in vinegar and a big chunky rust did come off, so now I'm gonna have to get the rest off. The rust will stain, so be careful. Your hand's gonna be stained as well, so I'm sure it will come off eventually. And then whatever you're using to wipe it, make sure it's not gonna be a big deal. It's definitely bringing off the rust. And I'm just wiping it off occasionally because I want to see where is still I need to focus on. I don't know if you can tell, but I'm already getting some off in patches. I don't want to use any power tools. I certainly could use my Dremel. People are sleeping, so I'm just gonna do it by hand. I'm gonna switch to a finer sandpaper now. I'm gonna go to 120. So it's definitely getting better. This is the untreated one, and this is the one I've been sending. It's looking really good. Now I'm gonna go to an even finer one. Let's see, are we ready for 220? I'm gonna keep continuing with my sanding. That's almost done, and then I'm gonna do the other half. For the front, I'm gonna try something different. I'm gonna spray it with WD-40. Again, for the hand to the part too. I think that's gonna help to dissolve the rust. So I'm gonna leave that for like 10 minutes. So after 10 minutes, it looks like the WD-40 did help loosen up some of the rust, but I still have to sand it. I'm done sanding. These dark spots are the original finish, so I didn't take those off, but I'm gonna wipe this off. Paper towel, dry. gonna coat the whole thing with this, the metal part and the wood part, but I'm gonna do this outside. Here's the end result of the shovel. Those dark stains are there intentionally because that's the original finish, that's not rust. So I'm happy with the outcome. Here's the back side. Again, no more rust, that was the goal, and it's ready to be used.